Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a LED TP to repair, no picture. So there is sound but no picture. If I turn on, see there is sound but no picture. If there is sound no picture, we have to see the uh, use your flashlight, any light, then you can see. See, I can read TADA, TIDA, MAKLUMAT, maklumat. Okay, so you have to search it like this. So that means TV is working, no backlight. So I have to repair it backlight. So how to repair backlight? Let's see. Yeah, I have removed the back cover. So if no backlight, there's two reason. Maybe problem in LED, or maybe problem in the backlight driver. So let's check the backlight driver. If you check the backless driver, just remove the power from main board. Then plug in the power cable, remove the LED cable, then turn it on. Then in your meter, make it DC volt range. Then see if there is voltage. If there is voltage for LED, so that means driver is okay. Problem is any LED light. See, we have voltage 198 DC volt. So our LED driver is okay. So now problem is in the LED light. So we have to remove all the this is our panel. Careful if you remove the panel. This is our LED strip.
1, 2, 3, 3 line.
Actually it has burned. See, burn here, there also, here also. LED light glass has broken also. There is plus and minus. For test LED light, we have to use LED tester. Here viewers, I have changed the LED strip. This 3 LED strip has gone. Some of them I have changed it. Let's try it. Yeah, working fine. Now all of LEDs are glowing.
bergaya dan diminati oleh ramai gadis hingga ada yang memujuknya secara rahsia.
Meminati sesuatu tak salah. Cuma
Thank you friend, thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe and like that button, and if you have any question, please comments on the below. I'll try to answer. Thank you.